Cap Flores. 4-2. Malakas. Kuha ni Tayag. Tayag nagmamadali. Tayag. Tayag. Euro side step. Offensive rebound by Mr. Castro. And he was fouled. Sino ang foul? Cap Flores. Castro. 14 to shoot. Paul Alarcon. Tuyang. Stolen by Garcia. Counter steal naman ni Tayag. Tayag. Malakas ang pasa. Santos reminding his teammates na there's no need to rush. Tatlo lang yan. Marboy. To Flores. To Gamboa. Gamboa for 3. Mintes. Nakuha ni Tapnyo. Another possession. Gamboa uli. This time makes the shot. Grabe ang tiwalang binibigay ni Cap Flores kay Gamboa. Tayag. Another bad pass. Gamboa uli. Spin move. Gandang pasa. To Tapnyo. What a highlight coming from Mr. Gamboa. Pang top play of ano yan ah? Top play of first round. Ganun din ako pumasa nung mga 20 years ago. 20 years ago, tagal na no, Sir Gang. Baldo swishes the free throw. A lead back to 8 points. Now Absidi. Absidi. Andre Di Discarte. Four shot. Wala yan. Gandang depensa ang pinapakita ni Castro. Forces a turnover. Castro. Lakas ang tira. Five to shoot. Marboy for 2 points.
Dadali na ako ng maraming piso sa susunod. Gerald daw. Pasok, Gerald.
Our referee handing a technical for taunting. I think that's our former finals MVP. He has to sit for 3 minutes. Medyo pivotal yun. Now Castro. Mintes. Nakuha ni Cap Flores. Now Garcia. Garcia running. Taking the shot. Dizon to Flores. Short jumper. Short ang tira. Nakuha ni Seo. But stolen by Marboy. Now Kenneth Dizon. Makes the shot. Marboy dropping dimes. Castro forces a shot. May foul. Jimil, a chance to cut the lead by 9 points. Swishes the first one. Misses the second one. Nakuha ni Dizon. Cap Flores demands the ball. Passes to Sahagun. A lazy pass stolen by Seo. Now Castro. Almost make the shot. Kuha uli ni Castro. Now De La Cruz. Counter steal coming from Seo. De La Cruz uli. Susubok. Drops to Absidi. Malakas ang tira. Another steal coming from De La Cruz. Drops to Jimil. That's an easy two for Mr. Castro. Balik sa 8. Ang lamang ng apprentice. For 3, Garcia. Lista mo yan. A much needed 3 coming from Renz Garcia. Garcia uli. Drops to Sahagun. And Sahagun makes it. Lumobo uli. Sa 13 ang kalamangan ng Apprentice. Go, Apprentice! Ang sabi ni Sir Jason Gomez. Sir Jason watching his team. Yeah, well-deserved clap for the backbone of MBC. Sergao. Thank you lagi sa iyo, Kuya Gao. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Spin move. Nearly stolen. Two to shoot. Turnover. Apprentice naman. Kanino ang bola? Same ball tayo. Another knockout play coming from Apprentice. Renz Garcia fouled by Santos. That is Mr. Santos' first personal foul. And the second team foul for team congruence. Garcia. Makes the boat. Free throw. Andre to Santos. Alfred. Kicks out to Tayag. Tayag for 3. Way off. Garcia for 3. Seo, put back. Nakuha ni Santos. Fouled by Garcia. Grabe yung swing ng puntos. Third game. From 18-point lead down to 2. Now back to 18. Ang kalamangan ng Apprentice. Santos makes it. Petrasanta. Jumper. No good. Nakuha ni Tapnyo. Putback is good. Alcantara. Alcantara. Forces his way. Kicks out to Tayag. Tayag for 3. Pasok yan. Approaching the 2-minute mark of this game. Pa-shoutout sa'yo. Cap Nayal, sabi ni Cap Insi. Cap Insi. Pinilit ako ni Tomas na maglaro siya. Ayaw kong maglaro si Tomas actually. Kaso makulit. Babantayan ka daw niya, Kapinsi. Alcantara for 3. Makes it. Trece lang yan. Petrasanta. Block by Seo. Seo staying composed sa laro natin. Flores. Garcia. Nakalibre sa 3. Mintes. Nakuha ni Seo. Alcantara. Tutayag. Malakas lang ang pasa. The intention is good. Napalakas lang ang pasa. Time remaining. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Just when you thought that Congruence having control the game, dun naman, ka-counter ng run ang Apprentice. Under 1 minute. Petrasanta, short jumper. Pasok yan. Tayag nagmamadali. Santos, for 3. Almost. 20. The ball remains to Congruence. 28 seconds. Tayag for 3. Malakas. Seo. Good shot by Seo. Apprentice opting not to shoot. The last shot. Congrats to Apprentice winning this game. Moving up dun sa standing natin. Well, thank you everyone for watching yung first round ng MBC Members League Season 2. Abangan yung second round. Thanks everyone. Good night.
Kita-kits tayo sa January 8 for our round 2.